gonna let him try his ass. He got food stamp. Hey, y'all. Yeah, Lone Star, that's double. Yeah. Yeah, he need double, y'all. Double? Okay, okay. Well, we gonna see something then. Yeah. Anybody want to see Scooby-Doo? He trying to lock it in, y'all.
What they're saying that with the little red Mustang that kept calling me out. They didn't call me out no more.
Oh, okay. You know how to stop all that?
Yeah, I already stopped that.
Oh, okay.
Helicopter been up for 8 months.
Oh,
I just like talking, you know.
Yeah.
I love it. Is this TV?
Yeah, this TV.
You've been on 8 months. I've been out 2 years. Whoa. Get my good side.
Let me see your good side. Yeah, that's it. That gold shining. Yeah, that gold shining. Right there. Yeah, that bitch shining. Yeah.
I got you.
Yeah.
My
okay.
I got you. My mic.
Yeah.
My mic.
Yeah. Hey, Noob.
Video right there. The proof is
Noob.
We right here.
Hey, small block or big block, man? Yeah, small block or big block. What is this big head? That's a big block. Get that head out the way. Hey, I'm trying to holler at Nunu, man. Huh? SBM. Small block mafia. Okay. Small block mafia over there, y'all. That's an aftermarket block. With a 300 shot. Oh yeah, you seen it run one time? Okay, he seen it go. Ooh. Oh shit! He said that motherfucker running, y'all. Yo, that motherfucker hustling. Hey man, shout out to my boy Nunu with them aftermarket blocks, you know what I'm saying? Small block mafia. Small block mafia. Yeah. Let me see something.
Hold on. Y'all give me a moment of silence. Y'all say that again. Left y'all ass sitting there, boy. When I came back and said $1,000 to your file. Y'all blow the head gas. I said big. I still do it. $1,000 to your file. Yeah, but you blow the head gas. I don't want no handicap. Okay then. I don't want no handicap. You and Blood, the only motherfucker that can say y'all beat me. And that was on 70 counts from my driver. Oh, you gonna blame it on your driver? But don't. That wasn't your driver. No, I didn't say that. You drive. You drive.
What you say about his excuse?
I like an asshole and we all got one. If it was a fifth, we all shit bricks.
Okay. Oh, damn, we been waiting on the trailer. Damn, he blowed it up. What the fuck happened right here? Yeah. Alright. We've been waiting on the trailer this whole time, y'all. I was wondering what we was sitting there waiting on.
I was taking my full power, y'all. Pick the back of that motherfucker up and let the front roll out.
Yeah. Look out. Oh, damn, I ain't see you. Got my brother in the building, y'all. What's up with it? Yeah. Yeah, they tell me.
What I do that night when my
Hey, did you look up?
Huh? Anything good? Yeah, got a small block.
Jokers and gravy, right?
Jokers and gravy.
Oh, yeah. What are you talking about here?
It's a small block over there with 300 shot.
There you go.
You ain't seen it? They said it just made a pad a while ago. Yeah, they said it just made a pad. Huh? Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I don't know what happened. I think he blowed it up. For the people that's watching on TikTok, y'all check me out on YouTube. Yeah, I'm on YouTube. Yeah, they still racing. They just gotta clean that car off the track. Hey, look out y'all on my YouTube channel. You ain't? What? Hold on. Meet out. I got the cards for you. Mira, suscríbete a mi canal, dale me gusta, and dile tu tío. Yeah, dile tu tío, and dile tu abuelito. All right, I appreciate y'all. Appreciate it. Let me see. Hey, did you subscribe with that yet?
Nah, not yet.
You ain't sure. Suscríbete a mi canal, man. Come on, I've been waiting on you all month. Suscríbete a mi canal. Oh, you already on there? Okay. Look out, look out. Mira, you on there? Okay. Hey, you on there?
You already saved me $20 every Thursday when I don't want to come. I'll be on the live.
Okay,
on
okay.
YouTube, lay in the bed with the popcorn.
Okay, bet. He be having popcorn and everything, y'all. Damn.
I'm at the movie theater, all right?
Damn. What size your TV is?
That whole like iPad mini, ain't gonna lie. That whole
Okay.
50
50 inch.
Yeah, I was like, watching
That's good though. That's good. He in the bed, 50 inch.
Part, you know
What I'm saying? Got some popcorn and shit. Yeah. You
I
put
spent all my money on my car, so I ain't got.
Yeah. I sure appreciate you checking me out then. Hey. I'm finna start rapping. Hey, come on. Damn, will it still move? Ah, man. They done had to get a jack, y'all. Had to jack the rear end up. I don't know why, y'all. I guess his drive shaft is stuck. Hey, his drivetrain is stuck, y'all. They had to get a jack. He was just on the side of the line, seeing them talking smack. Hey, ooh, hey, he the one with the starter. Hey, he don't want to start up. Yeah, he don't want to start up. Hey, you better hold that jack. Hold that jack, y'all. Okay. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. I'm from Dallas, Texas, Justin McKnight. Alrighty, guys, we have Justin McKnight. Oh, man. Oh, y'all gonna have to pick up the back? Ooh, shit. Damn, they got some shit to do now. Damn.
Hey, pick up the back and walk with it.
And he got a. Oh shit! They picking that bitch up. Let's go. Walk with it. Oh, let's walk with it. Something gonna be fucked up when he get. They gonna lift something. Ooh, look at that bumper. I told you. That bumper crinkling up. God damn. Work.